In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Tradingview, step by step. Whether you're on a desktop browser or the mobile app, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Tradingview on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to log out from. If you've been working on charts or layouts, it's a good idea to ensure your work is saved before you continue. Logging out won't delete your data, but it's always smart to wrap up anything you're in the middle of. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. On desktop, this usually appears as your avatar, your initials inside a small circle, or a generic user icon. On mobile, you'll typically see the same icon near the top right, and tapping it opens your account options. If your window is very narrow, the icon may be tucked into a compact header, but it will still be in that upper right area. Once you click or tap the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, find and select Sign Out. Depending on your version or language settings, it might read Log Out, but it serves the same purpose. Selecting it tells Tradingview you're ready to end your session on this device. After you choose Sign Out, you may be asked to confirm. If a prompt appears, simply confirm your choice. As soon as you do, you'll be signed out immediately. On desktop, you'll typically be redirected to the Tradingview homepage or the sign-in screen. On mobile, you'll see the login screen so you can sign back in whenever you're ready. A quick note on what happens next. Signing out only affects the device you're currently using. If you're signed in on other devices, those sessions remain active until you log out there as well. Your charts, layouts, watch lists, and alerts remain associated with your account, so you won't lose them by logging out. The next time you sign in, everything will be right where you left it. That's all there is to it. Open Tradingview, click your profile icon in the top right, choose Sign Out from the drop-down, and confirm if prompted. It's simple, fast, and a good habit when you're using a shared or public device. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.